Hello, fellow word explorers. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic, re-examining ancient Chinese understanding of the cosmos. You've probably heard of the traditional saying, round heaven, square earth, Tianyuan Di Feng, right? But what if I told you that the earliest Chinese understanding of the celestial and terrestrial forms might have been closer to canopy heaven, round earth, Tian Peng Di Yuan? Would that surprise you? Let's turn back time to the Shang dynasty, over 3,000 years ago. Remember when we discussed the Oracle Bone script character for now, Jin? We know, it's actually a minimalist cosmic temporal map drawn by the Shang people for us. In the Shang understanding, the sky we look up at wasn't a circle or a flat plane, but rather an A-shaped, roof-like canopy covering the Earth, a massive dome symbolizing the entire structure of space and time. Moving forward to the Warring States period, let's hear Huishi's astonishing insight. Is the Earth actually round? This forward-thinking philosopher, Huishi, proposed a remarkable and thought-provoking viewpoint. He said, "I know the center of the world. It lies north of Yanyan and south of Yueyue." At first glance, and at the time, this statement seems contradictory. The state of Yan was located in the north, and the state of Yue in the south. How could north of Yan and south of Yue possibly be the center of the world? However, we know that in traditional Chinese cosmology, the central plains, Zhongyuan, was considered the center of the world, and China, Zhongguo, literally means central kingdom. Therefore, logically, the center of the world should lie between the south of Yan and the north of Yue. So why did Huishi say this way? If we think carefully about this, unless the Earth is round? Yes, just like the globe we're familiar with today. When standing on a spherical surface, no matter which direction you travel, you can eventually return to your starting point. From this spherical perspective, the extended paths of north of Yan and south of Yue would ultimately lead back to where the central plains are located. This way, Huishi's statement suddenly becomes clear and logical. So when Huishi begins with, "I know," indicating he has a firm conviction, he's using this statement to guide us beyond traditional flat Earth thinking into deeper philosophical contemplation, revealing the truth that the Earth is round, a sphere. Chinese culture has a beautiful quality. It never forgets its roots. If you look at the distinctive features of Chinese architecture throughout the ages, you'll notice those unique A-shaped roofs. Don't they silently preserve the ancient concept of the A-shaped celestial canopy? This is no coincidence, but rather a kind of cultural memory embedded in bloodline, a silent continuation of ancient wisdom. So the next time we see those Chinese-style roofs, or discuss ancient cosmological views, let's consider this. Thousands of years ago, Chinese ancestors had already quietly understood the mystery of canopy heaven, round earth. Isn't this truly amazing and worthy of our deepest respect?